Welcome to Real Cedar 101. Today we're going to cover a couple of points on why real cedar is such a great building material for outdoor use. We're also going to discuss the easiest and most cost-effective way to specify and purchase real cedar for your next project. Real cedar has naturally occurring preservatives that resist rot and insect attack and make it stand up to weather, so it's going to last a long time outdoors. You can also stain or finish it to match any surroundings. Or, if you want the lowest maintenance option, just let it weather naturally so it turns to a silvery gray color. Real cedar is the greenest building material available. That's because wood creates the smallest carbon footprint to manufacture. And real cedar only comes from third-party, certified, sustainably managed forests. But the biggest reason people use it is the look. It's rich and the colors range from honey yellow to deep sienna to chocolate brown, and has a luster you won't find with any other material. The first thing you should know about real cedar is it comes in two main grades, clear and naughty. Clear is fine-grained and is ideally suited for high-end applications. Naughty has a lot more character to it and it's extremely durable, so it's a great choice for decks and outdoor projects, especially if you're watching your budget. Both grades of real cedar are commonly used for decking, siding, trimming, and outdoor structures like gazebos, pergolas, trellises, and fences.
Real cedar is available in a variety of dimensions, so if you're building a deck, you can design the exact look you want. The species is extremely durable and weather resistant, yet it's light and easy to work with and doesn't require pre-drilling, so it won't crack when fastened. It's also pitch and resin-free and will take virtually any finish. The same can be said for real cedar siding. It has a deep, rich luster that looks beautiful in both modern and traditional designs. And as it's naturally resistant to rot and decay, no chemical treatments or preservatives are required. Some natural wood species have been under scrutiny for their lack of forest management certification and questionable harvest practices. Select naughty Western Red Cedar, which is sold under the Real Cedar brand, only comes from sustainably managed forests. And softwoods like cedar have the lowest carbon footprint of all manufactured building materials. Without a doubt, the greatest reason for choosing select naughty Western Red Cedar is the incredible range of looks and styles that can be created with it.
And that's Real Cedar 101. We hope it helped you in planning your next project. For more information, free downloadable plans, expert advice, and to find a Real Cedar retailer nearest you, visit us at realcedar.com.